Ever wonder what happens when you stop eating fast food, even for a short time? In the first few days, bloating and water weight often drop as your body cuts back on excess salt. After 1 week, your energy improves and cravings start to fade. Your digestion gets better, and many people notice clearer skin and fewer breakouts. Over time, your heart and metabolism benefit from less sugar, unhealthy fats, and processed ingredients. And the biggest change, you start feeling lighter, sharper, and more in control of your health. Cutting back on fast food isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Follow for more simple health habits that actually work.